What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video and in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy Cardano in Binance. Now before I teach you guys how you guys can buy Cardano, which is the 6th largest cryptocurrency in the world by market cap and also known as ADA, you guys need to know what Binance is, because if you don't know what Binance is, you will get confused what you guys are buying. So basically Binance is a crypto exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And when I say crypto exchange, it's basically a place where you guys can, buy crypto. And since Cardano is a crypto, you guys can easily buy it in Binance. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question related with the video, feel free to ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And with that said, let's jump right into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Then go on versus trade and then go on classic. If you know how to use advanced, you can go there as well. But for beginners, I would suggest you to go on classic. And over here where it says search, you want to search for ADA. Now Cardano is also known as ADA. And over here choose which crypto you want to use to buy Cardano. I will use USDT, so I'm just going to choose ADA/USDT. Once you do that, scroll a bit down and go on market. Now if you know how to use limit, stop limit, you can. But if you guys are a beginner, market is the place where you guys want to buy the crypto. Market means you guys are going to buy Cardano at its current market value. Enter the amount of Cardano you want to buy and just click on buy ADA and your Cardano will be bought. That's how simple it is to buy Cardano in Binance. So hope you guys were able to understand. And if you guys did, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, I will leave a referral link in the description, which you guys use. You guys can get up to $10 bonus. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.